International Hotel, where right beside me is a recently lit Christmas tree, which is, believe it or not, made out of hotel room amenities.
Parklane takes Christmas tree lighting ceremonies a notch higher with the lighting of their Christmas tree made out of recycled materials.
Christmas tree lighting, it's always a tradition for the industry, no? Because it's always kick off the Christmas festivities for mga properties. But for the past 6 years now in a row, Parklane make it a notch higher. Like we did it with more passion, being we may use it as our platform to campaign the reduce, reuse, recycle, and it's our simple way of giving back to the environment and really spreading the campaign of being more environmentally conscious. So for the past 6 years, we use recycled materials for our Christmas decoration and especially for the tree. So we always come up with something, we can just find anything, scrap, garbage that you can find in the hotel that's supposed to be thrown away, but in fact, we collected it over the year and come up with something beautiful out of it.
The tree every year is actually a labor of love because it's not easy to make, as you see. These are made of room amenities, shampoo, conditioners, lotions, the one you typically see in your hotel room. And we turned it into flowerets to create this magical tree at my back.
The night was also made more magical by performances from local talents.
Our performers for tonight's event, it was basically the ballet dancers. They are the spotlight dancers. It was basically an interpretation of trying to bring life, bringing life, meaning bringing meaning also to the Christmas tree and what it really stands for during the Christmas season. And of course, we have our UP Serenata. Again, we wanted to go local and we wanted to promote local talents also.
Other than the usual Christmas festivities, the Parklane International Hotel also made the night special as they turn over their funds of hope for the Cebu Cancer Warriors Foundation Incorporated, whom they have partnered with for 3 years.
Please visit Parklane and experience the real Cebuano hospitality, being the only hotel in Cebu that stands for Cebu.
Yes, it's www.parklanehotel.com.ph and you can also call us at 234-7000.
Advocating for the environment and the community, the Christmas spirit is taken to a new level with Cebu Parklane International Hotel. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Raya Guzman.